again. I did not upload any video last week as I usually do. Like, I try putting up a video at least once every week. I haven't been able to do that because life has suddenly become quite busy. Touch wood, I'm so thankful for that. However, today's video is a whole day of Sunday cooking vlog. I went to buy groceries the other day and I think I got way too overwhelmed and bought a lot of things. So since I'm in the UK right now, there is at least I like cooking Indian food at least twice a week. So today is one of those days and I have a whole range of things planned and I'm going to take you along with me. So I'm going to make fish curry and rice. So I'm going to cook ilish mach. I'm also going to make pani puris or puchkas, and for lunch I am going to make some dal, fried fish and some fried brinjals as well. So I hope that you enjoy this cooking vlog. There will be recipes as well in this video, but if you need any particular details, please feel free to leave your comments or questions in the description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started because I have so much to cook and I'm so excited to take you along with me. So I got these beautiful pieces of fish and I'm going to save like 4 pieces for the curry, and for the rest I am like, for lunch I'm going to just marinate the fish with a bit of chili powder, the regular stuff, turmeric, salt and stuff like that. So I'm just going to do that. I've already made my rice, so okay, marination is done. Okay, so let's fry this brinjal and these fish. See my full face, but it's how it is. Okay, so as I was saying, what I like doing while cooking brinjal is adding some sugar so that it caramelizes well. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just adding some sugar so that it caramelizes really well. Hi guys, so I cannot show you the rest of my lunch vlog because a really strange thing happened. So I was cooking, right, and the kitchen window, it was shut so tightly. I don't know what was wrong with the window that it was impossible to pull it up. And the smoke alarm, it catches, and the fire alarm, like a smoke alarm, it catches the tiniest, slightest bit of smoke very easily. So when I was frying the fish, the smoke alarm caught the smoke, and the smoke alarm caught the smoke, and the whole building, like the fire alarm started ringing, and the whole building was like everybody evacuated. It was a mess. So obviously I had to stop shooting and I had to tell people that it's nothing, and then help came and they also couldn't lift up the window because it was shut so tightly. And finally, the window could be open. Like, we managed to open the window with the help of 2 other people. Something was wrong. Turns out in this building, some of the rooms do have windows that are shut so tightly that you have to call a carpenter. The dal and the fish fry and the begun bhaja turned out really nice, but I kind of was like, no, today is my cooking day. So I must make the best of it because otherwise I wouldn't get much time for the rest of the week, no matter what. I had some gulab jamuns and I got cooking again. So you will see perfect videos of the pani puri and the fish curry, and hope you like the rest of the video. If you do, please do hit the subscribe button. Help me reach 5K. Don't forget to switch on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Let's continue. Moving on to the ilish mach now, the fish curry. It turned out so well that I couldn't believe that I cooked it myself. So adding some mustard oil to the pan, to which I'm going to add the potatoes and the brinjals and fry them until they're light golden. It took me around 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, yes. So it took me around that. Then I kept these brinjals and the potatoes for the curry aside, and in the same oil I added the spice. So I added some pachforon and 2 slit green chilies. There are various ways you can do that, but this is my mom's favorite way to do it. You can actually use black cumin, but I didn't have that, so I used pachforon. Then you add the fish. I added 4 fish, as you can see. I had previously marinated them with chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt, and I lightly fried the fish. So the thing is, when you're eating it as a fried fish, just as that with your dal, um, fry it, really well. But when you are doing it for the curry, you have to fry it not very well. Like fry it just until they're brown. Now I'm going to add this mixture of a bit of chili powder, salt, water, and turmeric in it. Let it come to a medium boil, and then I'm going to add my previously fried potatoes and brinjals, and also some green chilies, of course, as you already saw. But it all depends on your spice tolerance. Mine is quite high. So to that I'm going to add some more hot water. I like cooking with hot water. I just feel it accelerates the cooking process much faster. Then I'm going to cover it until I'm satisfied with the consistency of the gravy, and just serve it with hot rice. If this is not heaven on earth, then what is? Moving on to the pani puris or the puchkas now. So I had already made the shell, and I'm just going to add the fillings in it. So the fillings I usually make with a mixture of pani puri spices, coriander leaves, green chili. If you're a friend with whom you're sharing pani puri with, because pani puri is never doesn't taste as great as until it is shared with a friend, right? So I wrap them up in a box, and that is how I ended my Sunday. If you liked this vlog, please do hit the subscribe button, switch on the bell icon. After you have done so, I just love cooking so many things. Cooking your own food has its own therapeutic feeling. So if I'm having a crappy day, I always believe that at the end of the day, if I cook something nice, I will always feel better. It is going to act as a pick me up. Also, I know that if everything goes wrong in a day, God forbid, if I come back home and I add certain ingredients in the correct amount, I am going to end up with a perfect dish, and it cannot ever go wrong. Okay, that's the end of my philosophical rant. Um, it's like meeting you is like meeting a friend at the end of every week or at the beginning of every week, because you're going to be watching this on a Monday. And I just absolutely love talking to you guys. So
Send me video suggestions if you have any, and I'll see you very, very soon, this time next week for sure. I love you all so much. Bye.